What is up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to be only eating pink for 24 hours. I can't wait. Let's go. So first up is obviously breakfast. I have these pink shreddies which I found in the cupboard. They're like strawberries and cream. I don't really like strawberries. I like cream though. And for the milk, I'm going to be using strawberry milk. I don't like strawberry milk either. But yeah, I don't really have much choice because they're pink and there isn't many other pink options for breakfast. So let's go make breakfast. Breakfast time. I'm dreading this. I think out of anything I'm eating today, this is going to be the worst. It's pink. It's not as pink as I thought it was going to be, but it looks pink. I'm counting it. So yeah, let's eat my breakfast. The most important meal of the day. I don't like it. I will eat it all though. I totally won't stop the camera now and stop eating. Alright, I've totally just finished all my breakfast. So now, I'm going to choose a drink to have. My first drink of the day. I've got summer fruit squash, Monster, technically a bit of strawberry milkshake, but I don't like it, or Lucozade pink lemonade, which I think I'm going to go for this. I've got some editing to do, so I'm going to drink this. So I'm going to drink this while I do some editing, and then it will be lunchtime where I'm going to eat, not the jelly, the peri chicken pot noodle. It's a pink packaging, so I'm counting it. It's got hair on it as well, lovely. Yeah, it's probably not pink on the inside, but packaging's pink, so I'm allowing it. Let's get on with the editing. Yay. I love Lucozade pink lemonade. It's probably my favourite out of all the Lucozades. Time to edit. So the video that I've just been editing is actually a video that's out now. It is the foot golf one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you did. It was fun to film. Playing foot golf in general was fun to film. I did actually get a hole in one that I didn't film, which I'm so annoyed about. If you want a full foot golf video, comment down below as well. And yeah, I might do that. I didn't want to do it in that video though, because I thought it'd be a bit boring doing the whole foot golf. But I might do it one day. I don't know. But yeah, that was a very fun video to film. Let's carry on with this fun video. Time to eat my peri chicken pot noodle. Peri apparently. Peri. I don't know. Let's just eat it. Peri chicken pot noodle. The packaging is pink. It says clucking hot at the bottom. I hope it's not, because I don't like hot food, like spicy food. And it does say on the top, how hot are you? Not very. Bit of a chicken. That's me. That means you don't put any sauce in it. That's probably what I'm going to do. Halfway hen. You put half a sauce packet. That noise outside is very annoying. Or hot clucker. It's definitely not me. A whole sauce packet. Do I do it for the content? No, I'm a bit of a chicken. Smells alright. It's not pink on the inside, but I'm allowing it. Who cares? Yeah, I'm not gonna have the sauce packet. Add some hot sauce, no chance. Oops. Wait, how do I even make this? Peel back lid halfway. I peeled the lid the whole way. Oops. Remove sachet. Pour boiling water to fill line. Recover. Can't do that. And leave for 2 minutes. There's the kettle. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to do that and eat it. It's not even turned on. Ding. Time to wait. Can't wait. While I'm waiting for the pot noodle to be ready, enjoy some cat content. I don't know what else to do, I'm sorry. Billy! You camera shy? Oh, pardon. The pot noodle is ready. It's not pink inside, obviously, but the outside's pink. I don't like pot noodles. I don't like the texture of the noodles. I think it's the shape of them. Like, I don't know, it's weird. But I like super noodles and normal noodles or spaghetti. But I don't like pot noodle. I hear a plane. It's not too bad. It's hot.
Might be too hot.
And spicy. I might struggle with this, but it's a good job. I got my pink drink. My thighs are burning right now. Ow. Yeah, I reckon I'll be able to finish this. Oh, Franzel, you look so cute. This should just be like a cute cat video instead. Yeah, I will finish this. But it's very hot at the moment, so I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. I'm done. And I'm so happy. That was so spicy. I don't know how people can eat that with a sauce as well. I'm gonna need a cold bath now. Or a cold shower. I'm just gonna cry. What do I have next? Can't be bothered to make the cake, so not that. I'm gonna save that till the end, so not that. Got my drink, I've got my Lucozade that I'm having at the moment. I'm gonna try these. I bought them thinking that the actual Watsits would be pink. But then I realised, Jake, you're stupid, they're still gonna be orange. But the packet's pink, and so I'm allowing it. Let's eat the Watsits. These are massive. I've never seen Watsits so big. Look at that. That is huge. It's quite nice. What I like to do though, shove it in my mouth, then suck on it, and wait for it to dissolve in my mouth. What do you guys like? Should I just suck Watsits, or just bite them? Boom. Gone. So nice, I don't even have to bite. I'm definitely going to finish all these.
You like to shove it in your mouth and suck it.
Shut up, you're not meant to talk, you're behind the camera for a reason. Good thing about coming up with video ideas for Chris MD is that ones he doesn't use, I can use for myself. So if you guys want to see some football videos which are Chris MD rejects, I will do them. There's quite a few ones that I really like that he didn't want to use, which I'm probably going to use myself. So yeah, make sure to I can't speak English. Make sure to subscribe and I'll do them. One of them, should I tell you? Yeah, one of them involves a penalty shootout, and if you miss, you have to do something which is related to the sidemen. That's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, if you want to see that video, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I might do it very soon. And if you want to be in the video, let me know, because at the moment it'll probably just be me. So if you do want to be in the video, let me know. Obviously, I can't just let some random people in my video. If you know me and friends with me, let me know. Yeah. Just carry on eating pink. Sound a bit weird. Made it sound like I'm... No. Anyone watching who knows me, congratulate me. I almost said something very rude, but I stopped myself. Alright, so we've arrived at Leah's. We're going to make a cake in a minute, but first I think I'll have my tea, because I'm getting quite hungry now. But before that, on the way back, found some scratch cards which are pink. So me and Leah are going to do one each, and hopefully we win some money. We probably won't, but yeah, let's try and win some money. Fail, I think. Yes. Sad times. Just a little disclaimer as well. You may have noticed I've changed my shirt. It's not because I'm doing this on a different day. I would never cheat in a video like that. Never. It's because Leicester are playing. So I thought I'd put this on to support the team. But we drawed. We were winning 2-0 and then Brentford scored 2. Sad times. Alright, it's tea time. What can I have for tea which is pink? There isn't much choice, to be honest, but I'm going to be having ham. It's all that I could really find that's pink. So yeah, this is my tea. It's nice. I really love ham. Alright, time for the most exciting part of the video. Me and Leah are gonna make a cake. It is a unicorn cake because it's pink. It looks very cool. We've also got icing with a pink dye, so we dye it pink, and some pink glitter. Very nice. We're not making this the normal way though. Leah has some weird way that apparently is normal, where we're gonna put some pink Lucozade in it instead of using eggs and all that. I don't know if it's going to work. Leah thinks it will. So we're going to try it and we're going to trust her. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first off we get the white bag out of the box to put in. And I've noticed some decorate your cake unicorns. Oh, exciting. I'm going to do them when I'm waiting for it to cook. Wait, do you cook cakes? No, you don't, you bake them. Yeah, I'm going to colour a unicorn and I'm going to give it away. So if you want to win this, make sure to subscribe, like, turn on notifications and leave a comment below saying, I want the unicorn. If not, I'll keep it for myself. Yeah, so need to pour this into the bowl. I can't do it. I accidentally swallowed the white bag. The powder's white, I thought it was meant to be pink. I'm so confused. Or am I meant to dye the powder as well? What are these doing? Colour changing magical mix, oh my god! Yeah, I can't even see it change colours. I'm getting really excited now. Now what? Oh yeah, Lucozade. apparently you have to put a can's worth in, which is 350 millilitres. There's about 500 ml in this. No, that's 250. About that. So there's a little bit left. We'll risk it. Look at the smoke. A little bit more. It looks so cool. It's so pink. It looks It looks like my hair. Not like Mike. Although I don't know. Why is it foaming so much? Nah, is this like some prank? If you told me to do this, then it's just gonna foam everywhere. It smells nice. Is it meant to be this foamy?
Yeah.
It's so pink. It smells so good. It smells like pink lemonade, which is the flavour of the Lucozade, funnily enough. What a surprise. I don't really know what I'm meant to do. Just keep whisking? Would you like to take over? Because I said we'll both make it, and so far it's just me. Enjoy. Oh, it's out of focus. There we go. Yummy. Mix it. Mix it. Faster. Yummy. You might not know, well you won't know, that's a little reference to my mate Nathan Moore and his dad. Or a stepdad, I can't remember who it was.
Lovely.
But it was a very funny video where they just kept saying, mix it. And we found it really funny when we were younger, I don't know why. Alright, so we decided to make one cake using this, and then some cupcakes in here as well. So, yeah. Don't really know what I was going to say then. Yeah, let's pour it into the things and put it in the oven. Oh my god, look at that. Ah! Ah! This is scary. Oh, I just dripped onto the oven. Well, I didn't drip onto the oven. The cake mixed it. Lol. Do you reckon I should go into like comedy, like stand-up comedy instead? Do you reckon that would work out? Oh. Thanks. Yeah, but this ain't working out, is it?
It might do.
Alright, time to put these in the oven. What was that flying about? There's a flying thingy.
You take it out.
Why was it flying? It's like a magic carpet. So, where do you reckon I should put them? You know more about ovens than I do.
The cupcakes on the bottom, the tray on top.
Scared I'm gonna burn myself. And I'll probably cry if I do. Boom! Done. In the oven, 20 minutes, starting from now. Let's go. Didn't really achieve much, did it? We've got to have a pink for the unicorn's hair because the same goes with my hair. Okay, and then it's horn is going to be blue and yellow. There you go. My unicorn's done. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I put a lot of effort into that.
I noticed.
I didn't go over the lines either. But yeah, if you want to win this, I'll sign it as well. I'll sign it in pink, seeing as my hair's pink. I'll sign it here. G page with a little 2 at the bottom. Yeah, if you want this, comment down below, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a like. So while we're waiting for the cake to come out of the oven, I'm gonna have my Monster Punch to give me some energy. It's my favourite monster, So which is good because it's pink as well. That means I can actually enjoy it. It's probably one of the only things I've actually enjoyed today. So good. It tastes like, I don't actually know, but it's good. I like it. Cheers. Alright, we hear the alarm. So we're now gonna go, oh, it's very dark, I can't actually see. And you won't be able to see me. It is very dark. Wait, what? I'm glitching. Alexa, stop. Thank you. Yeah, I want to see our reactions. So, do you want to come behind me so we can see your reaction as well? I've never seen a cake made from Lucozade, so.
That's pretty low.
Oh. That actually looks cool. It's very pink.
That smells good.
It looks ready. It smells good as well. It looks like a cake, look. They look like cakes. Ooh. Nice. Even the cat's interested. Do you want cake? Ooh. Can I try one?
They're gonna be really hot.
Alright, I won't try one yet. But they're the cakes, we're going to leave them, then eat them in a bit. Exciting times. Before we do the icing on the big cake, we're going to try a cupcake each to see how it tastes. So this is our first taste of a Lucozade cupcake. Leah, do you want to try first? What's your reaction?
It tastes nice. But it's very chewy.
You're just making a mess. Look at how much mess I've made. I didn't even start eating. It tastes like pink lemonade. It's weird. I don't know if I like it. To wash down the pink cupcake that I just ate, I'm gonna drink some pink cider. How naughty. It's marshmallow flavour. The packaging is somewhat pink, and apparently the inside is pink. I can't really tell. I'm gonna drink it, try and see before it goes into my mouth whether it's pink or not. I don't know how it's gonna work. I almost choked on it. I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
Get a glass.
Yeah, good idea. I'm gonna get a glass. I'll be back. I have a glass. The big reveal. Are you ready to see whether the marshmallow cider, I don't know why I said that so weirdly. Why, no, what? Is the marshmallow cider pink? Am I cheating or not? Oh my god. It's pink. I'd say that's pink. Is that pink?
Yeah.
Yeah. Close enough. Pink drink. Lovely. Tastes like marshmallows.
And I have a pink drink.
So yeah, this is my little drink, and then Leah's gone and got this. My girlfriend is not an alcoholic. She just likes wine. It's fair enough. Enjoy. I've got more than this, by the way. I'm not just drinking this. I'm an alcoholic. I'm not, don't worry. I'm not an alcoholic. I love alcohol. Pink Panther wafers. This is my snack for the evening. I've had these a long time ago and I do like them. They're not something I'd get on a daily basis, but they're pink. They are pink, like in colour, and they got pink in the name, Pink Panther. And they've got a picture of some sort of cat on the front. I'm guessing he is the Pink Panther. He looks like a cool guy. He looks like he's been taking some drugs though. Look at him. He's either been taking drugs or he's very tired. Yeah, let's try a Pink Panther wafer. It's been a long time. I'm making a mess. They're alright. They're a bit boring, but yeah, they're nice. I'll probably finish the whole packet. Yeah. Your belly sound like a frog. I'm keeping that in. Oh, that's funny. Ribbit. Are you eating a frog? This is the sexiest cake I've ever seen. Although it's the top pink. I don't know if you would count that as pink. I would. It's more like pale, nude. It's a nudist cake. Yes.
Can you tell Jake's had a couple of drinks?
What do you mean? No, I haven't. I haven't drunk anything. Oh wait, yeah, I filmed it, didn't I? LOL. Oh, talking of drinks, I've got pink hooch. I'll have that once I finish spreading the icing. I think I'm doing a pretty good job. For someone who doesn't spread that much. Nah, that ain't even like a naughty joke. That's just a joke because like, I don't even spread butter on bread. Because I don't make sandwiches. I either get Leah to make one, or my mum. Signed by Jacob Page, who is me. Yummy. Oh, glitter. Forgot about the glitter. Oi! The cat was nicking the icing. Beautiful. It looks like a pink zebra with JP on it. Yeah, all I've got to do now is what? All I've got to do now is find the hooch, which is called Pink Hooch. Tasty. Crack this open and end the video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. Me and Leah are now going to eat some cake. Well, I ain't, because I don't actually like cake. What are you looking at? You're not having any. Yeah, we're going to eat some cake. Well, I'm not going to have any, because I don't like cake. And then we'll bring some to my family, Leah's family. Whoever wants cake, anyone. If you want cake, have some cake. Yeah, goodbye. I love hooch.